Hi guys, good morning. Today, my breakfast kay pancake and blueberry. And then siyempre, kape. Then maple syrup. Nakananggikan sa kahoy. Original. Nami kay kong breakfast. Oh. Pangan ako blueberry and strawberry. Kaon na ta. Nami kayo. Nami kayo kong homemade pancake. Tar, what are you doing? Pareha may breakfast ni Amara. Pancake. What are you doing with my food, Amara? Eat yours.
I'm helping you to
Tapos
cut.
siya daani orange siya ako kape. Thank you for watching. Bye.